Exporting Jira issues to Excel is a common task, but if you're not sure how to do it, don't worry. I'll walk you through it step by step. Let's get started. Start by opening your Jira project. For this demo, I'll use the Jira-provided demo project. Click on your project name to open the Jira board. Next, you need to locate the issues you want to export. Click the search button and select View All Issues. This will take you to the Issues Detail view. Now, switch to List View to see the issue list clearly. Use Jira's filtering options to refine the issue list based on your specific requirements. This helps narrow down exactly what you want to export. Check the columns that are displayed. If you need to change them, click on the Configure Columns icon. Here, you can add, remove, or rearrange columns to customize your data view. Once you're satisfied with the columns, click the Export button. You'll see options for both CSV and Excel. You can choose to export all fields or just the default columns you configured earlier. Select Excel format. Jira will then generate the Excel file for download. Once the file is ready, open it for formatting, analysis, or presentations. And that's it. Exporting Jira issues to Excel is that simple. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips. See you in the next one.